Actually, sir, before nung sinasabi natin, may mga taong they are applying for yung magkaroon ng rally. And
Yes.
sabi ko, let's have consultation first. Kasi, alam mo, anytime you can have a rally, but remember, yung inconvenience that will produce sa mga tao, iba, hindi accepted yan. Pagka na-traffic sila, hindi lang po 5 minuto yan.
Matagal.
It will take an hour or two. So just imagine, especially right now, no, ginagawa po yung EDSA, marami po nating mga projects po ngayon. And lumiliit po yung daan natin. Pagka nag-rally ka, just imagine, yung terrible na inconvenience sa tao. Kaya kinakausap po natin, there's consultations right now doing in our part, in the part of the local government, na tigil nyo muna. Ito lang kayo, pwede kayo mag-rally in a certain way. Pero huwag nyong dapat i-block yung daan.
Anyway, isa pa, General, meron bang, huwag naman sana, meron ho bang threat, meron ba kayo na-monitor na something about security dito sa State of the Nation address ng ating Pangulo this coming July 22, sa Monday na po ito, General?
Sir, wala po kami nakikitang threat, no? But sabi ko nga, kayo no threat, but we make sure na you have to factor in na meron threat. It's always the factor in na may threat. Hindi po kami pwede mag-relax. Yan po yung term natin, no? But we don't foresee any threat right now na pwede pong itigil po yung SONA o against the President po. Wala po kami nakikitang ganyan.
Ayan. So, well, panghuli ito siguro.